How to activate Aurum Foundation subscription and crypto AI bot after deposit. Aurum is a cutting-edge fintech company helping people grow wealth through smart crypto automation. To activate Aurum subscription, follow these steps. Step 1. Log into your Aurum Foundation back office. Step 2. Click on Access to Aurum ecosystem. Step 3. Click Confirm to proceed to the next prompt where you will be asked again to confirm your annual subscription. Step 4. Click Confirm Purchase again to activate your annual subscription and unlock full access to the Aurum Foundation ecosystem. Part 2. Activating the EXAI bot. Step 1. On Aurum homepage, select Financial Proposal. Step 2. Click on EXAI bot. Step 3. Choose your preferred package based on how much you want to invest with the AI crypto automation bot. The basic package ranges from $100 to $249 USDT, with an estimated return of 10.5% per month. In this plan, you keep 60% of the profit while the company retains 40%. For example, investing $100 earns you about $10.50 monthly. Higher packages allow you to keep a larger share of the profit and earn greater monthly returns. Step 4. Click Create Deposit. Step 5. Enter your deposit amount. Step 6. Check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Step 7. Click Create Deposit again. Your AI bot will be activated shortly. Important notice: as with any investment, returns may vary and involve risk. Always invest responsibly. Follow Wealth Builder Global Community for more investment opportunities and tutorials.